Hey everybody, Jack here from the Tradeify product team. We have given our electrical compliance certificates a major overhaul, and we think you'll like what you see. The fast way to handle all of your electrical and fire safety compliance certificates is right here in Tradeify. First up, we've improved the following certificates. This includes 5 electrical certificates and 2 emergency lighting certificates that you can see here. Firstly, we've made our certificates much faster by pre-filling more information from the job, preloading likely answers, and adding more drop-downs to questions, making the certificate easier to complete. Second, we've updated the look of our certificates to have a slick and professional look that you can see here. Finally, you can now add more appliances, distribution boards, and circuits. There are no limits on the amount that you can add to your certificate, making them suitable for both small and large jobs. As well as this, we've added a load of new certificates. We've added 2 electrical certs, 3 emergency lighting certs, and 2 fire safety certs. We now have 26 certificates to cover all of your needs. And that's just a start. We've got more certificates coming soon, so watch this space. So why not give certs a go on Tradeify today? If you're using the mobile app, jump into a job and head into your Forms tab and create one there. If you're on the web version, open up a job again, select the More tab, and there you'll find Forms and Certificates. Thanks for watching.